Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll go direct to the video. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a green smoothie. It's a quick recipe with only 5 ingredients. So onto my ingredients, I have baby spinach, I have frozen mango, 1 banana, and I have avocado and a cup of water. So, and chia seeds. This one is optional. Ukikosa baby spinach, you can use the readily available spinach, the big ones. So I'll put everything into the blender. Seasons tutaweka kijiko moja, a teaspoon. And then you blend till everything is smooth. So unakoroga to make sure that everything has been blended. So our smoothie is ready for serving. And one thing about a green smoothie, the advantage is you have a constipation, bloating, you can take this. Green smoothie kwangi kali if you take the right recipe. Try yours. Let me know in the comment section how it tastes, how it turns out. And please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.